Hey fam, it's Lydia. Today I'm making egg sauce with boiled unripe plantain. It's simple, healthy, and perfect for any meal. Let me show you the steps. First, I will add eggs in a pot, cover with water, boil for 7 minutes. Move the eggs into cold water. This helps the shell come off easily. Then I will set them aside. Next step, I will be making the sauce. Heat the oil in a pan or in a pot. Add some onions and fry until it's golden. Add fresh tomatoes, stir and allow it to cook. Add salt, pepper, and seasonings. Let the sauce simmer for a few minutes. I'm using my homemade tomato sauce. You can use a fresh tomato. If the sauce is watery, cook a little longer. While the tomato is simmering, you can go ahead and peel off the back of the eggs. You can go ahead and peel off the shells of the egg and keep aside. At this point, if you haven't liked this video, go ahead and give us a like or a love. Next, I'll be preparing the plantain. The plantain is already washed and cleaned, so I'll go ahead and cut them into small shapes, transfer them into the pot, add some salt for taste, and water to boil. Boil until the plantain is soft. Remove from the heat, allow it to cool a little bit. Then you can transfer into your plate, peel off the back and add some sauce. And that's it. It's very easy and quick. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share to your friends who love Nigerian food. And you can as well subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Craving for Nigerian snacks? You can find lots in my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Until we meet again, have a great day.